Rolling.
Hey everybody, it's been a few years since we got to ride our bikes, but we got them back today.
What'd we find, Greg?
Some sort of berries, what did you call them? Dingleberries? Tastes like a smooth raspberry with a little strawberry on the side. We got some new Arai helmets from our friend Rob Miller. Hey Rob, check me out. I already hit the dirt.
What happened, Greg?
Well, I haven't ridden a dirt bike in maybe 3 or 4 years. So this is the third time I've gone down today. You know, it's a little dusty and I'm a little rusty on my neutral roll. Neutral rolling down this hill, and
You better pick up the bike before it floods.
oh yeah. Luckily I wasn't going too fast.
And thankfully for the helmet.
Thanks, Arai. No problems. Just a little crazy.